Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to the top MCQ series for SEBI Grade A 2025 examination. We are starting with company law today. So this is going to be the class first in which we are going to discuss 20 MCQs. And guys, ये जो हमारी class है, जो हमारा session है, नवंबर मंथ में कंपनी लॉ का जो सेशन है दैट विल बी कंडक्टेड ऑन एवरी थर्सडे एट 8 पीएम एंड इकोनॉमिक्स का सेशन विल बी कंडक्टेड ऑन एवरी ट्यूसडे एट 8 पीएम. बोथ द सेशंस, both the subjects will be taken care of by me, right? So in this session we are going to discuss 20 most important questions which are very important for the upcoming SEBI Grade A 2025 examination. Though your examination is going to be conducted on 10th January, that is the phase 1. phase 2 will be conducted on 21st February. But इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है फ्रेंड्स, because ultimately you have to cover 6 subjects in paper 2, which is very important. थोड़ा से वास्ट भी है, कुछ सब्जेक्ट जैसे कॉस्टिंग हो गया, फाइनेंस हो गया, कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी हो गया. तो आपके पास टाइम तो है लेकिन आपको सब्जेक्ट्स भी बहुत ज्यादा करने हैं. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस, यू हैव टू रिवाइज द थिंग्स. सो डू नॉट कंसिडर दैट यू हैव मच टाइम, रादर you should start preparing for the examination. So let's start the discussion without wasting time here, and at the end of the session I'm having a surprise which I would be revealing at the end of the session. So till then you have to stay tuned. So question number first is, as per the Companies Act 2013, the amount of dividend including interim dividend once declared must be deposited in a separate account in a scheduled bank within how many days from the date of declaration? Options are 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, 5 days and 10 days. And friends, you have to participate along with me. आपको participate करना है मेरे साथ में, right? So that you can gain the confidence, because these sessions are conducted for you to enhance your knowledge, to gain the confidence. Do not worry about the committing mistakes, because जितनी ज़्यादा mistakes you would be committing in these sessions, उतनी ही कम mistakes आप actual exam में करेंगे, right? So yes, let me know what is the right answer, so that after that I would reveal and I will tell you the explanation as well. So what is the right answer of this question according to you? So right answer is option number D, that is 5 days, right? So read the explanation. As per section 123 subsection 4 of the Companies Act 2013, it states that once a company declares dividend including interim dividend, the amount must be deposited in a separate account in a scheduled bank within 5 days of its declaration. Yes, Sandeep is saying option number D. Option number D is the right answer. Well attempted, Sandeep. Question number second is, as per the Companies Act 2013, if a dividend declared by a company remains unpaid or unclaimed within 30 days of declaration, the company must transfer the total amount of unpaid unclaimed dividend to the unpaid dividend account in a scheduled bank within how many days? Options are 7 days from the expiry of 30 days, 15 days from the expiry of 30 days, 30 days from the expiry of 30 days, 21 days from the expiry of 30 days, or 45 days from the expiry of 30 days. And guys, believe me, these kind of questions are asked in the examination. You can refer the previous year paper as well. These kind of direct questions are asked from the provision, and that is why I always say कि in the Companies Act you have to refer the Bare Act only. आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ Bare Act refer करिए. Do not refer any notes, do not refer any books. You simply have to refer the Bare Act. Those 7 chapters you have to complete from the Bare Act itself. अगर आपने Bare Act पढ़ लिया, उसको रिवाइज कर लिया, believe me, you would be marking all the questions correctly from the Companies Act, right? Now let's discuss this question. So right answer, Sandeep is saying option number A. Guys, what about others? You all have to participate in the session. So right answer is option number A only, that is 7 days from the expiry of 30 days. So as per section 124 subsection 1 of the Companies Act 2013, if the dividend declared has not been paid or claimed within 30 days from the date of its declaration, the company is required to transfer the unpaid unclaimed amount to a separate account known as the unpaid dividend account, and this transfer must be done within 7 days after the expiry of the said 30 days, right? Moving on to question number third. Question number third is saying, as per section 124 subsection 5 of the Companies Act 2013, any money lying in the unpaid dividend account which remains unpaid or unclaimed for a period of 7 years shall be transferred to which of the following? Options are Investor Protection and Awareness Fund, Reserve Bank of India's Dividend Protection Fund, Investment Education and Protection Fund, then National Dividend Settlement Fund, or none of the above. यस टेल मी, अगर यहां पर 7 ईयर्स तक अनपेड डिविडेंड अकाउंट में डिविडेंड वाला जो अमाउंट है वो यहाँ पर लाई डाउन रहता है, वहां पर रहता है. सो इन दैट केस कौन से अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर किया जाएगा आफ्टर द पीरियड ऑफ 7 years? सो संदीप इज सेइंग ऑप्शन नंबर ए. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स गाइज? Right answer is option number C, not A. This is IEPF, not the IPAF, right? So I hope आपको यहाँ पर definitely confusion हो गया है. And these kind of questions are asked, guys. ऐसे ही आपको confusing options दिए जाते हैं. So the full form is Investor Education and Protection Fund, not Investor Protection and Awareness Fund, right? So C is the right answer here. So as per section 124, subsection 5 of the Companies Act, if any money transferred to the unpaid dividend account remains unpaid unclaimed for 7 years from the date of such transfer, the company must transfer it along with accrued interest, if any, to the Investor Education and Protection Fund established under section 125. Question number 4 is, as per the Companies Act 2013, every company shall at its first annual general meeting appoint an auditor who shall hold office. Options are from the conclusion of the first AGM till the conclusion of the third AGM and thereafter every third AGM. From the conclusion of the first AGM till the conclusion of the sixth AGM and thereafter every sixth AGM. From the date of the incorporation till the end of the first financial year and thereafter every sixth annual general meeting. From the date of appointment till the board of directors decide otherwise, or none of the above. So which statement is correct with respect to the appointment of auditor? Yes, friends, do let me know. What do you think? What can be the right answer here according to you? Sandeep is saying option number B. Okay, what about others? Guys, you all have to participate, right? This session is not conducted only for a student. This is conducted for everyone. So यहाँ पे सभी को participate करना है. You all have to tell कि यहाँ पे right answer क्या होगा. So right answer is option number B only. Yes, correct. That is from the conclusion of the first AGM till the conclusion of the sixth AGM and thereafter every sixth AGM, right? So यहाँ पर explanation is as per section 139 subsection 1 of the Companies Act 2013. Every company must appoint an individual or a firm as its auditor at the first AGM. The tenure of such an auditor is till the conclusion of the sixth annual general meeting, that is for 5 years. Clear? Question number 5 is, as per the Companies Act 2013, the first auditor of a company other than a government company shall be appointed by the board of directors within, options are 15 days from the date of incorporation, 30 days from the date of registration of the company, 60 days from the date of registration of the company, 90 days from the date of registration of the company, or 45 days from the date of the registration of the company. Tell me, we are talking about the appointment of first auditor, but except the government company. We are not talking about the government company. We are talking about other than a government company. So right answer is, Sandeep is saying option number C. Option number B is the right answer. That is 30 days from the date of the registration of the company, right? So C will not be the answer, Sandeep. Option number B is the right answer. So under section 139 subsection 6 of the Companies Act 2013, the board of directors of a company other than a government company is required to appoint the first auditor within 30 days from the date of registration. Question number 6 is, if the board of directors fails to appoint the first auditor within the prescribed period, the members of the company must appoint such auditor within, options are 30 days at an annual general meeting, 60 days at an extraordinary general meeting, 45 days at a board meeting, 90 days at an extraordinary general meeting, or none of the above. What is the right answer, guys, for question number 6? So Sandeep is saying option number D. Right answer is option number D. That is 90 days at an extraordinary general meeting. Right. Well done, Sandeep. So explanation is, if the board fails to appoint the first auditor within 30 days, the members of the company must be informed, and after that the member shall then appoint the auditor at an extraordinary general meeting within 90 days, right? ये जो days है ना, ये days बहुत important है आपके एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, एंड क्योंकि कंपनी लॉ इज प्योरली फैक्चुअल, यहाँ पे प्योरली फैक्ट्स आर आस्क्ड, सो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड memorize all these days because they are very very important. Only limited chapters, 7 chapters you have to do, then I don't think it is a very difficult task for you. It would be easy for you if you keep revising it for 2-3 times, so you will be able to retain the important provisions. Question number 7 is the first auditor appointed under section 139 subsection 6 of the Companies Act 2013 shall hold office. Options are for a period of 3 years from the date of appointment, till the conclusion of the 6th AGM, till the conclusion of the 3rd AGM, till the conclusion of the 1st AGM, or none of the above. बताइए जी, जो फर्स्ट ऑडिटर है वो कब तक यहां पर ऑफिस होल्ड करके रखेगा? Sandeep is saying 7th D. So right answer is yes, option number D, that is till the conclusion of the first annual general meeting. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एजीएम होगी तब तक होल्ड करके रखेगा, उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे दूसरा डायरेक्टर जो है वो यहाँ पे अपॉइंट, दूसरा ऑडिटर जो है ही विल बी आइदर ही वुड बी री अपॉइंटेड, और उसके अलावा कोई दूसरा ऑडिटर भी यहाँ पे अपॉइंट किया जा सकता है. ठीक है जी. Question number explanation is the first auditor of a company other than a government company once appointed either by the board within 30 days or by the members at an EGM within 90 days shall hold office only till the conclusion of the first annual general meeting. Question number 8 is in case of a casual vacancy in the office of an auditor other than companies audited by the CAG, such vacancy shall be filled by the board of directors within how many days? Options are 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days, or till the next annual general meeting. बताइए guys, everyone please participate, do let me know, do not worry about the wrong attempts guys. यहाँ पे कोई भी पेनल्टी का प्रोविजन नहीं है. You will not be punished here because these sessions are conducted for your practice, for enhancing your knowledge, for gaining the confidence. So participate नहीं करेंगे तो ये सारे ही purposes जो हैं वो defeat हो जाएंगे. Sandeep is saying option number C. So right answer is option number A, not C, that is 30 days. So in case of a casual vacancy in the office of an auditor, such vacancy shall be filled by the board of directors within 30 days. So as per section 139 subsection 8 of the Companies Act 2013, any casual vacancy in the office of an auditor other than companies where CAG appoints auditors must be filled by the board of directors within 30 days. Question number 9 is where a casual vacancy arises due to the resignation of an auditor, such appointment made by the board shall, options are be valid only for 3 years, require approval of the tribunal, be subject to approval by Securities and Exchange Board of India, be effective only after approval by the central government, also require approval by the company at a general meeting convened within 3 months of the board's recommendation. Yes, what do you think guys? What can be the right answer? अगर यहाँ पे रेजिग्नेशन होता है ऑडिटर का, ठीक है, कैजुअल वैकेंसी अराइज होती है, सो इन दैट केस जो अपॉइंटमेंट है बोर्ड किस तरीके से करेगी यहाँ पर? संदीप इज सेइंग ऑप्शन नंबर ई. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ई ओनली, दैट बोर्ड शैल ऑल्सो रिक्वायर अप्रूवल बाय द कंपनी एट द जनरल मीटिंग कन्वीन्ड विद इन 3 months of the board's recommendation. Very well done, Sandeep. So if the casual vacancy arises due to the resignation of the auditor, the board must first fill it within 30 days. But unlike in other cases, this appointment must also be approved by the shareholders at a general meeting within 3 months of the board's recommendation. Question number 10 is under the Companies Act 2013, an auditor appointed under section 139 can be removed from office before the expiry of his term only Options are by an ordinary resolution of the company in a general meeting, by the board of directors with central government intimation, by a special resolution of the company after prior approval of the central government, by the audit committee subject to a shareholders ratification, or by the registrar of companies based on shareholders complaints. What can be the right answer for question number 10? Do let me know in the chat box. So right answer is option number C here, that is by a special resolution of the company after prior approval of the central government. So as per section 140 subsection 1 of the Companies Act 2013, an auditor can be removed before the expiry of his term only by passing a special resolution in the general meetings of the shareholders. However, this can be done only after obtaining prior approval from the central government in the prescribed manner. Question number 11th is, as per the Companies Act 2013, the minimum number of directors required in the case of a public company is, options are 3, 2, 1, 5 or 15. बताइए जी, मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स कितने होने चाहिए पब्लिक कंपनी के केस में? Yes guys, do let me know in the chat box. So Sandeep is saying option number A. Right answer is option number A, that yes, minimum number of directors must be 3 in the case of a public company. So as per section 149 subsection 1, clause A specifies the minimum board composition. Public company case में 3 directors, private company case में 2 directors and 1 person company case में it will be 1 director. Question number 12 is, the maximum number of directors of a company can have under the Companies Act 2013 is, options are 10, 12, 15, 20 or unlimited. We are talking about the maximum number of directors in a company, right? Maximum number of directors, and that too as per the Companies Act 2013. बताइए जी. Yes friends, what is the right answer? Question number 12. So right answer is option number C, that is 15. ठीक है, तो maximum number of directors as per the Companies Act must be basically 15. ठीक है जी. So as per section 149 subsection 1 clause B states that maximum number of directors in a company is 15. Question number 13th is, under section 149 of the Companies Act 2013, a company can appoint more than 15 directors. Options are by an ordinary resolution passed at the annual general meeting, by board resolution with central government approval, only if permitted by SEBI regulations, by approval of the registrar of companies, or by passing a special resolution in a general meeting. बताइए जी, 15 डायरेक्टर से ज्यादा अगर अपॉइंट करना है किसी कंपनी को, देन इन दैट केस व्हाट प्रोविजंस विल बी एप्लीकेबल? टेल मी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, संदीप इज सेइंग ऑप्शन नंबर ई. यस, एनी अदर गाइस, एनीवन एल्स, डू लेट मी नो. So right answer is option number E only, that is by passing a special resolution in a general meeting. So by default, the maximum number of directors limit is 15, right? But if a company wants to increase this limit, or if a company want to appoint more than 15 directors, then it is possible, provided that a special resolution needs to be passed in a general meeting. So a company may exceed the limit of 15 directors only if a special resolution is passed by the shareholders. Question number 14th is, as per the Companies Act 2013, every company shall have at least one director who stays in India for a total period of not less than how many days during the financial year? Options are 90 days, 120 days, 150 days, 182 days or 240 days. This question was asked I think in SEBI 2022 एग्जामिनेशन. ठीक है, ये शायद 2022 के एग्जाम में this question was definitely asked, but I'm not able to recall the year. I guess it was in 2022 only that this question was asked in the examination. And believe me, these kind of questions are only asked in the examination based on the provisions of the Companies Act. Sandeep is saying option number D. Okay, anyone else who want to try this particular question? So right answer is option number D only, that is 182 days. So as per section 149 subsection 3 of the Companies Act 2013 mandates that every company must have at least one resident director. A resident director means a director who has stayed in India for not less than 182 days during the financial year. तो एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे 182 days उसको रहना चाहिए एक पर्टिकुलर फाइनेंशियल ईयर में. Question number 15th is, as per the Companies Act 2013, every independent director must give a declaration that he meets the criteria of independence. Options are only once at the time of appointment, at the first board meeting in which he participates, and thereafter at the first board meeting of every financial year, or whenever there is a change affecting his independence, only when required by SEBI or the board of directors, every 6 months irrespective of the board meetings, only before the filing of annual returns with the registrar. बताइए, जो भी इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर्स हैं उनको यहाँ पर डेक्लेरेशन देना पड़ता है. सो वो डेक्लेरेशन जो देंगे बेसिकली दैट इज द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. वो किस फ्रीक्वेंसी में देना पड़ेगा, किस तरीके से देना पड़ेगा, बेस्ड ऑन द ऑप्शंस मेंशन्ड हियर. सो संदीप इज सेइंग ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Okay, anyone else want to try this particular question? So right answer is option number B only, correct. That is at the first board meeting in which he participates. सबसे पहली बात, जो फर्स्ट बोर्ड मीटिंग में वो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है वो, उसके बाद हर फाइनेंशियल ईयर की पहली बोर्ड मीटिंग में, एंड उसके बाद जब भी यहाँ पे उसकी इंडिपेंडेंस में कोई भी चेंज आएगा, देन आफ्टर दैट उस चेंज आने पर भी he would be informing, he would be giving a declaration that he meets the criteria of independence. So explanation is section 149 subsection 7 of the Companies Act 2013 requires that every independent director must formally declare that he meets the independence criteria given in section 149 subsection 6, and this declaration must be submitted at the first board meeting in which he participates as a director, at the first board meeting of every financial year, and after that whenever there is any change in circumstances that may affect his status as an independent director. Got it? Question number 16th is, as per the Companies Act 2013, a small shareholder means a shareholder holding shares of a nominal value of not more than which of the following options are: 5,000 rupees or such other sum as may be prescribed, 10,000 rupees or such other sum as may be prescribed, 15,000 rupees or such other sum as may be prescribed, 25,000 rupees or such other sum as may be prescribed, 20,000 rupees or such other sum as may be prescribed. So Sandeep is saying option number E. Yes, guys, anyone else? So right answer is option number E, that is rupees 20,000 or such other sum as may be prescribed. So as per section 151 read with rule 7 of the company's appointment and qualification of director rules 2014 defines a small shareholder as one holding shares of a nominal value of not more than 20,000 or any other amount as prescribed later. Question number 17th is, as per the Companies Act 2013, where no provision is made in the articles of a company for the appointment of the first directors who shall be deemed to be the first director until the directors are duly appointed. तो अगर यहाँ पे आर्टिकल्स में किसी भी तरीके का प्रोविजन नहीं है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर, देन इन दैट केस हु शैल बी द फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर्स, जब तक यहाँ पे रेगुलर डायरेक्टर अपॉइंट नहीं हो जाते हैं. सो ऑप्शंस आर द रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज, the subscribers to the memorandum who are individuals, the board of directors appointed by shareholders at the first annual general meeting, the central government nominees, or the promoters of the company. What is the right answer, friends? So Sandeep is saying option number B, and Gautam is also saying option number B. So right answer is option number B only. That is the subscribers to the memorandum, who are the individuals, shall be deemed to be the first directors until directors are duly appointed. So under section 152 subsection 1 of the Companies Act 2013, the first directors of a company are generally appointed in the articles. If the articles are silent, then the subscribers to the memorandum, who are individuals, are deemed to be the first directors. They continue to hold office until the company duly appoints directors in accordance with the act. Question number 18th is, as per the Companies Act 2013, in a public company, unless the articles provide otherwise, not less than filling the blanks of the total number of directors shall be persons whose period of office is liable to determination by retirement of directors by rotation. Options are one half, one third, two third, three fourths, or all the directors. कितने डायरेक्टर्स यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट टू रिटायरमेंट बाय रोटेशन होंगे गाइस? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. अनटिल एंड अनलेस अदरवाइज इज प्रोवाइडेड इन द आर्टिकल्स. सो संदीप इज सेइंग ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ओके, ही इज सेइंग टू थर्ड. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स गाइस? बाकी लोग भी बताइए व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर है. So right answer is option number C, correct. That is two-third of the total number of directors shall be persons whose period of office is liable to determination by retirement of directors by rotation. So under section 152 subsection 6 of the Companies Act 2013, unless the articles of association provide for retirement of all directors at every annual general meeting, at least two-thirds of the total number of directors in a public company must be directors liable to retire by rotation. These directors are appointed by the company in a general meeting, and the remaining directors up to one-third may be appointed as per provisions of the articles. Question number 19th is, who is the competent authority to allot the director identification number, that is DIN, under the Companies Act 2013? So options are Registrar of Companies, Securities and Exchange Board of India, National Company Law Tribunal, Ministry of Finance and the Central Government. तो इनमें से कौन है जो डिन अलॉट करेगा अंडर द कंपनीज एक्ट 2013? Who is the competent authority guys to allot the director identification number? Tell me guys, what is the right answer according to you? Registrar of Companies, Securities and Exchange Board of India, National Company Law Tribunal, then Ministry of Finance and the central government. So right answer is option number E. That is central government is a competent authority to allot the director identification number under the Companies Act 2013. So as per section 153 of the Companies Act 2013, every individual intending to be appointed as a director must apply for allotment of a director identification number to the central government. Question number 20th is, as per section 157 of the Companies Act 2013, every company shall furnish the director identification number of all its directors to the registrar within how many days of receiving intimation under section 156? Options are 115 days, 30 days, 45 days, 60 days और 90 days. तो यहाँ पर डिन मिलने के बाद कंपनी क्या करती है? कंपनी यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रार को इंटीमेट करती है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन कि यहाँ पे एवरी कंपनी शैल फर्निश द डिन ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स, ठीक है, टू द रजिस्ट्रार. कितने दिन के अंदर? जैसे ही इंटीमेशन उनको आता है उसके कितने दिन के अंदर दे हैव टू फर्निश द डिन टू द रजिस्ट्रार. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन हियर. So Sandeep is saying within 15 days. Okay, yes guys, anyone else? So right answer is option number A, that is 15 days. So 15 days के अंदर यहाँ पे basically company needs to furnish the DIN of all its directors to the registrar of companies. Got it? So all these all are the 20 questions guys that I wanted to discuss with you, and here is the explanation that is under section 157 of the Companies Act 2013. Every company must communicate the DIN of all its directors to the registrar within 15 days of receiving intimation from the director under section 156. This ensures that the registrar of the companies maintains an updated database of directors linked with their respective DINs for transparency and compliance purposes, right? And here is the achievers question, and I hope you know the rules. If not, then I must tell you that this is the achiever question, the right answer of which you have to mention in the comment box, not in the live chat box. And those who would be giving the right answer, their name will be reflected in the next session, right? So question is under section 160 of the Companies Act 2013, a person who is not a retiring director can stand for directorship in a company if options are: he files nomination paper with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs at least 7 days before the general meeting; he or a member proposing him submits a written notice at a company's registered office at least 14 days before the meeting along with a deposit; he secures the consent of at least 10% of the shareholders before filing his candidature; he gets an approval from the board of directors prior to the general meeting; he submits his application to the registrar of companies along with prescribed fees 21 days before the general meeting, right? So this is the achiever question. You have to answer it in the comment box, and those who will be giving the right answer, their name will be reflected in the next session, right? And guys, as you know that the NABARD grade A notification has been released. यहाँ पे NABARD grade A का notification आ चुका है. 85 vacancies have been notified for the general stream RDBS, and we have already launched the crash course here for the NABARD grade A, for which you will get live classes which you can watch in the live format as well as recorded format. You will get the notes for all the components, you will get the sectional mocks, you will get the full length mocks, right? And also one-to-one mentorship is also being provided as a part of this crash course. So do enroll it, guys. And as a part of winter warrior offer which has started today and which is valid till 8th of November, as a part of this winter warrior offer, you can get NABARD grade A course at just 5,999 with 6 months of subscription. But for that you need to use the code Prakash, right? This is my name, and you have to use the code if you want to avail the NABARD grade A crash course at this price. The link of this course is given in the description. How you can enroll it through the Testbook platform, that also I will be showing you. Similarly, you know that SEBI's notification has already been released here, in which 56 vacancies have been notified for the general stream and 20 vacancies have been notified for the legal stream. So we have already launched the crash course for this also, SEBI grade A general as well as legal stream. So as a part of winter warrior offer, which is again valid till 8th of November, you can get our SEBI grade A course both for general and legal at just 5,499 with 6 months of subscription. But again, for this you need to use the code Prakash. The link of this is also given in the description of the video, guys. Instead of buying separate courses for SEBI, RBI, NABARD, you can go for the regulatory body exam super pack, which is a culmination of all the regulatory body exams, and you can get the access of all the courses under this particular umbrella pack, that is the regulatory body exam super pack. So instead of bearing separate cost for all the courses, you can simply have a single subscription in the form of regulatory body exam super pack, in which you can get the access of all the regulatory body exams like RBI, SEBI, NABARD, PFRDA, SIDBI, IFSCA, IRDI, NPS, etc. And as a part of this winter warrior offer, this regulatory body exam super pack is available at just 8,799 with 6 months of subscription. But with the code Prakash, you have to apply the code Prakash here, right? The link of this is also given in the description. Now, important thing is how you can enroll for the course. So you have two options. Either you can go for the link given in the description, or separately you can visit testbook.com. So simply Google में you have to type Testbook and you will see the first link, right? You have to click on the website. उसके बाद you can see multiple options here. So you have to click on the super coaching options. Click on this super coaching option and then you have to scroll it. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे options आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. So you just have to scroll down, right? You have to click on the regulatory body exams. So here you can see the option of regulatory body exams. Here is the option. So no matter which course you want to subscribe to, basically the process will remain same. How you have to enroll it. So suppose you want to enroll for the regulatory body super pack, right? So separately you can enroll for NABARD also, RBI also, and then SEBI also. But suppose you want to enroll for the regulatory body exam super pack, which is a culmination of all the regulatory body exams, you just have to click here, right? The process will remain same. Whatever I am discussing it, the same is applicable for all the courses. Then after that, you just have to scroll it down. आपको यहाँ पे scroll down करना है, and you will see all the examination that we are covering here. and along with that you can see the faculties detail as well. Then you can see the demo classes as well. So faculty wise you can see the demo classes. You have to just click on these options and you would be able to see the demo classes. Then you can see the mock test here provided. Then further you can see the ebooks as well, so that you can get the idea what kind of notes we are going to provide you. And then after that you can see the practice questions as well. You have to further scroll it down. So after going through all this, if you feel that yes, this course is going to help me, then you have to enroll for this particular course. What you have to do, you have to simply go to this apply code, apply coupon, right? Click on this, and whatever code is applied, you just have to remove it, because through this you will not get the maximum discount. And apply the code Prakash, right, which is my name. So apply the code Prakash. After that you have to click on apply, and you will see कि यहाँ पे you will get the maximum discount, right? So this is for the 12-month pack. If you click on the 6-month, so you will get 8799 with the same apply, with the same code that I have shown you, that is Prakash, right? So you have three validity options, that is validity of 24 months, validity of 12 months, and validity of 6 months. So the 6 months price is 8799 in this particular offer, along with the coupon code Prakash, right? So this is my name. If you apply it, you will get it at 8799. You have to click here कि आपको कौन से validity का course चाहिए, and then after that you have to apply it, and you will get at just 8799. But believe me, this is available till 8th of November only. After that prices would be hiked here. So this is how you have to enroll it, and after that you will be having the EMI facility also. So no matter you want to enroll for regulatory body super pack, or you want to enroll for NABARD grade A crash course, RBI grade B examination, or SEBI grade A crash course, process will entirely remain same. The process that I have told you, the process will remain same no matter which course you want to subscribe to, right? So this is how you have to subscribe the course, or separately you can visit the description of the video. There you can also go to the link, guys, right? But do not forget to apply the code Prakash, because through this only you will get the maximum discount here. And also guys, do join my Telegram group. Here is the scanner, scan it and do join it. Through that you will be in touch with me directly. Whatever queries, doubts you have, you can directly ask me over there. A lot of students are already taking the advantage of this facility. You also take it, and whatever doubts you have, be it content related, be it strategy related, you can simply ask me there, and I will definitely take care of your query. So this is all with respect to this particular session, guys. So Pooja is saying any books we can refer for SEBI. So for SEBI you have to refer multiple books, Pooja, because 6 subjects are there in paper 2: finance, management, commerce, costing, company law, and economics. So yes, you have to refer different books for different subjects, because you have 6 subjects. So you have to refer at least 6 books, right? Because syllabus is not, you can say, confined to any particular book. You have to refer 2-3 books, and then you have to filter out the topics based on the syllabus mentioned in the notification. So the best option is, guys, Pooja, go for the course here, right? The course that I have shown you, go for the course, because through that you are not supposed to refer any book separately. You can simply refer the notes, you can simply refer the classes that we are offering, and that would be helping you to prepare for this SEBI grade A examination, right? Because ultimately costing की बात करें, so cost आपकी वैसे भी बहुत ज्यादा जाएगी. आप रिसर्च करेंगे, आप सोर्सेज अरेंज करेंगे, आपको मॉक्स देने रहेंगे, ठीक है? इसकी कॉस्टिंग बहुत ज्यादा है, आपका टाइम वेस्ट होगा, आपका एफर्ट ज्यादा लगेगा. सो बेटर है दैट गो फॉर द गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम दैट आई हैव शोन यू, एंड दैट वुड बी हेल्पिंग यू. आफ्टर दैट you are not supposed to refer any course, any book separately. So you are saying for legal will be the same? Yeah, definitely. Basically we have a single course, SEBI general plus legal, right? So वहां पर आपको legal का भी access मिल जाएगा, general का भी access मिल जाएगा, right? So I have shown you this course, that one, this one, that is SEBI grade A general and legal stream. So this is the course through which you will get the access of general as well as legal stream at a single subscription at just 5499. But यहाँ पे this is valid till 8th of November, that is day after tomorrow, and with the code Prakash, right? You will get the 6 months validity, right, Pooja? So this is how you have to enroll it, the process I have explained you there. So thank you very much for watching and listening me. This is all with respect to this particular session. Do not forget to answer the achievers question, because if you are attempting it right, then in that case your name will be reflected in the next session, guys. So this is all. Thank you very much. We'll meet you in the next session. Till then, goodbye, happy learning, take care, and I wish you all the very best for your upcoming examination.